Today I'm going to show you how to fit the HOTSIDE res delete to the Fiesta ST. To do this, all you're going to need, one flathead screwdriver. So the car is now jacked up, we got it on jack stands, it's time to go under. Okay, we are under the car, and as you can see, this is the part we are replacing. There is one Jubilee clip here, that goes into your turbo, that right there. And then the other one is just on that pipe there. We're going to undo both of those, and then take this pipe out. Hey! Alright, now we've got the stop one off, you can see the resonator. And this is the pipe we're replacing it with. Exactly the same, except one obviously just doesn't have the resonator. So let's put that one back in place. And that's how you change your HOTSIDE resonator.